Working with text. In this lesson, we will learn how to use Type tool. To type text on a document, pick the Type tool from the toolbox, which is denoted by letter T. Set the preferences like font style, size and color before typing the text. Then, place the cursor on the document wherever you would like to type the text. Then, type the text. Text typed in this way is called point text. This point text is useful for single line text or for headings. To type a paragraph, paragraph typing is a better option. For paragraph typing, pick the Type tool and drag it on the document with mouse. Then you will get a text box. Type the text in the text box. We can change the alignment of the text using the options in the options bar. By dragging the corner handles of the text box, we can either increase or decrease the size of the text box. Once the typing is finished, then we can simply press the enter button from the numeric keypad on the keyboard.